Good afternoon, ladies and gentlemen. Today on Customer Space, what we have a 2001 Toyota Camry. And as you can see, we got some parts that are out. What are we doing? Well, we're replacing this AC condenser. We are replacing this entire guy right here. We have the lines off. We have the radiator off. We got the transmission lines pinched off. The lower radiator hose pinched off. We're putting the coolant and we're saving it right there. Really good. Okay, that has to stay there. This is coming with me. And let me bend that back. Come on, come on.
You guys gotta fly in. Rotate.
There we go, very good.
I can burn this too. I'm gonna
out here.
You guys hear that? You in?
You know, move on to your next line marker. And you wait for it to go another quarter. Sorry,
Very careful.
Just about here. And you go over here. So you go right here.
Pumped-in rabbits.
Just loop down here. Your hair. There's like a ton of chest, but I'll get that next one.
Alright, so we're kind of in place. Now we just have to maneuver a little bit to get it into the mounted position. Very good. Well, alright, ladies and gentlemen, the new condenser is in. We evac'd the system. Well, it's already vac. We vacuumed and charged the system to specification. We leak tested. No leaks found. So now we're going to continue with the installation of the radiator. And then we're going to go for a drive. Very good. Alright guys, everything has been double checked. We got coolant in there. Let's get that little string out of there. Don't know how that got in there. Radiator hose upper and lower have been connected. Both fans have been connected. The temperature sensor has been connected. Both transmission cooler lines have been connected. They've all been clamped down as well. Topped off the coolant. Now we're going to start it up. Come on, Jack. Oh yeah, listen to that fine piece of machinery going. Freaking singer over here. Was it this loud when it came in?
Oh yeah. When I went out every time.
Damn right. Alright guys, I could foretell the future right here and right now. So now that we fixed the air conditioner and we have, as you could hear, this crazy exhaust leak, the customer is going to complain of, get this, they're getting sleepy every time they turn the air conditioner on. Well, why? Well, they're getting exhaust fumes in the interior, that's why. Alright guys, just in case if you were wondering, this is where the failure was. As you can see, this whole dark spot here, and it's wet right there. Let's flip it. We did put dye in the system, and if you could see, that's all green. If we had the UV light, it would show up, but it was faux show leaking. So I just completely forgot. The customer wanted a brake inspection. We did inspect the brakes and they are rusty, but they're roughly 50%. Until I went to the brake fluid. We have gone from Shrek piss to freaking Swamp Thing piss. Let me turn this light off. That is very dark. Wow. Let's get the cap off. Wow, it's a freaking lagoon in there. Some ugly ass fluid.
In the old motor.
Alright, very good guys. Everything worked out. Coolant is bled. AC is blowing cold. O-rings were replaced. The AC condenser was replaced. We did replace whatever coolant we drained out. Now we're just going to go on a quick road test to make sure everything is good. If you guys don't know what to do yet, please like, subscribe, hit that bell notification for further content.